Okay, Tuesday's tip. Don't let anyone tell you who you are. Only you can tell you who you are. So quiet all the noise, quiet all the voices, and figure out who it is that you are. And listen to that, because people will tell you anything. But the thing that they're telling you is what they fear, what they couldn't do, what they couldn't accomplish, and they try to put that on you. So what I'm telling you is be careful of the words of other people. Don't let their words direct you in how you move in your world, your future, whatever it may be. Listen to your own gut. Listen to your own words. And it just came on me to share this with you, because I have a lot of people in my life who are like, you do this and you do too much and you do that and you do this. And I'm like, well, yeah, I do. Kind of do. But God gave me these gifts. These are the gifts that I was given, just like your gifts are your gifts. So yet again, quiet the noise, quiet the voices, and just be you, whatever that is. And for me, I am who I am. And I am who I say I am, not anyone else. So this is Tuesday's tip for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Subscribe to my channel. Watch a video or two, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.